Zlatan and the masters of the universe. I'm Zlatan, god of the earth. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, I have the power! Uh-oh.
You muscle-bound old...
Skeletal Cavani, tonight I'm on your team.
Oh.
Zlatan. Oh no!
Do something, you flea-bitten fur-brain!
I'll go and protect our goal.
Oh, you big boob!
What? I'm man at arms.
That doesn't mean you can touch the ball with your arms. Man at arms? More like mom with arms.
I can fix this. Yes. Yes. Zlatan. In today's story, you saw how you can overcome life's injustices with determination and hard work. You also saw how people who are racist get what they deserve too.
Why are you bringing me into it?
I wasn't talking about you.
Oh, yeah, the fans in Paris. Totally. You want to see my snake mounted?
No thanks.
Can you think of any He-Man related football puns? Write them below, you furry-faced fool!
There's no one, just me only, shitting on Sir Alex's throne.